Have you ever looked at your business and thought, there must be a faster way to do this? Maybe your team spends hours answering the same customer questions. Maybe employees spend too much time creating reports. Or maybe you're doing tasks that could be completed much faster with AI. The good news is, AI is no longer only for large technology companies. Businesses of all sizes can use AI to save time, improve work, and serve customers better. But here's the important question. How can you actually use AI in a business? Let's look at some practical examples. First, AI can help with customer service. Imagine a customer visits your website and asks a simple question. Instead of waiting for an employee to answer every basic question, an AI assistant can provide an instant response. It can answer common questions about products, services, prices, or business hours. When a problem is more complex, it can send the customer to a human employee. This saves time while keeping human support where it matters. Now let's look at marketing. Creating marketing content can take a lot of time. AI can help you create ideas for social media posts, emails, product descriptions, and advertisements. For example, a small business owner can give AI information about a new product. AI can then suggest several post ideas. The business owner reviews them, makes changes, and chooses the best one. AI does the repetitive part. The human makes the final decision. Another powerful use is data. Businesses collect information every day. Sales numbers, customer feedback, website visits, and other data can be difficult to understand when there is too much of it. AI can help find patterns and summarize the information. For example, it might show that one product is selling better than another. This gives the business a clearer picture of what is happening. But there's one mistake businesses should avoid. Don't use AI just because it is popular. Start with a real business problem. Ask yourself, what takes too much time? What work is repeated every day? What process causes delays? Then look for a way AI can help. This approach is much better than buying many AI tools without knowing why you need them. Here's a simple example. Imagine you run a small online store. Every day you receive customer questions, update product information, check sales, and create social media content. You don't need AI to control the entire business. You could start with one problem. For example, use AI to organize customer questions. Then use it to help create content. Later, you could use AI to analyze sales data. Start small and improve step by step. And remember, AI should support people, not remove human judgment. You should always review important information before using it. This is especially important for financial decisions, customer information, business strategy, and sensitive data. The best businesses will not simply use the most AI tools. They will use AI where it creates real value. So if you want to start using AI in your business, remember 3 things. Find a real problem. Choose one task where AI can help. And always check the results. You don't need to transform your entire business overnight. Start with one useful problem. Solve it. Learn from the results. Then move to the next one. AI can help businesses save time, improve productivity, understand customers, and make better use of their information. But the real advantage comes from using AI with a clear purpose. So ask yourself today, what is one business task I could make faster with AI? That question could be the beginning of a much smarter workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments what business task you would like to improve with AI. For more practical videos about AI, business, career success, professional communication, productivity, cybersecurity, and future skills, subscribe to Future Skill Hub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.